It's going to be an intro to an intro of the psychology series. So as you guys can tell, the next videos you guys are about to see, it kind of doesn't look like this version of Alex. I look a little bit younger, and the way that I talk is obviously different. It was kind of like my first time in front of the camera. But I wanted to be something that I realized, because I was going to remake this whole entire psychology section for you guys. But as I'm remaking the videos, I realized that the headspace that I'm in right now, the way how I explain stuff, the way how I interpret it, the way how I just process stuff with the mindset that I have today, it won't be effective to explain to you guys now because we have different mindsets. So that person you're going to see in the next videos, that Alex from about 2.5 years ago, the way he explains psychology in those videos is what got me to where I am today. So the way how I was thinking, how I was processing certain emotions, the way how I reacted to certain things, the way how I handled certain things, that Alex is the one that got me to this version now. And me remaking those videos with those wording or with that meaning, I tried to do it, believe me, and it didn't make any sense. Like, it just didn't have the same message as that version. So I'm just making this message to you here so so you understand why the videos are the old ones. It's because I can't redo them with the same message and then impact you as much as it will with those videos, because that Alex that made those videos 2.5 years ago was exactly the same. Like, every single one of you guys was still in the position of, you know, coming out of struggling from trading, was now understanding what were the true concepts of becoming profitable, was actually realizing how to stay consistent with the strategy. And that's why I decided to come out with the psychology series to help traders out there, because obviously I realized that that was the hardest part. But yeah, so I'm just here letting you know that Alex with that mindset and the psychology that is in these next videos is exactly what you need in order to have the right mindset to trade. Because I tell you, I really want to do it again, but it's not going to be the same. For example, right now I get a lot of questions about FOMO. And the way how I explain FOMO in those next videos you're about to see would not be anything how I would explain FOMO now. The way that I would explain FOMO now, it's like, dude, the market's not going anywhere. What do you, like, what's the fear of missing out? Next week, the month after that, the quarter after that, the next 6 months, the year, like, somebody's got to buy the dollar, somebody's got to buy a CAD, the pound, the yen. The markets are going to always be there. Like, what's your fear? But the way how I interpret that now is like no filter in a way, or it's just like raw. Like, I understand it already, and I can't explain it other than just saying, yo, like, stop being scared. The market's not going anywhere. But the way I explain these next videos, it's a lot more detailed. I compare it to a lot of things, and you guys will see in the next following videos how it makes a lot of sense. So I hope you